morning, friends. Welcome back to my home and my studio. I'm so glad that you're here. This is kind of a little tutorial on if you have different ideas, maybe you've developed a color palette and you're not quite sure how you want to use it or exactly what direction you want to go. And I find myself in this position not knowing exactly how I want to use the paints that I've developed. So I'm going to show you two paintings done in two different ways. And the first one, I used a Prism Pour gold paint on the base, and then I used a translucent base coat with the pearl paint, puddle paints on top. And in the end, I'm going to show you at the very end how I kind of dramatically changed this painting using just white paint and sort of cut in my own negative space. Just there was something about the gold, the tone of it, the overall feel of the painting that I just wasn't quite happy with. And then the other one is more of a traditional white base coat. So kind of just looking at how they differ from each other. And I'm going to be showing both of these to a potential client to see if one of them is the direction that they want me to go. It's a great exercise for commission, is to sort of develop a few different ideas on a small canvas format to show your client. I also like to put the colors down. I'll cut out a little raw piece of canvas and put the color palette down on the canvas and write out the different colors. And that's another way to present your color palette to somebody. So I hope you enjoy this and have a beautiful day. I'll get you down onto the canvas. All right. Hey, so here's me putting down the, this is just Prism Pour. It's one of their gold colors. And I watered it down, added a little gack to it, and I'm just sort of putting it down onto the canvas. So I'm going to talk a little bit more about what was really interesting between these two paintings. So one of them I used the white pearl base coat, and the other one I used the transparent over the gold. And then I kind of married the two of them together in a way because I cut in all this negative space into this first painting. So I also wanted to talk about the mat underneath my painting. It's from Fluid Art Company, and it's called their Pour Mat. And it's amazing. When paint lands on it, it sort of just beads up. And when it dries, it peels straight off. And I was kind of wiping it off. But it cleans up better than any surface I've seen. Okay, so let's go in with the colors here. This is a TLP Tail Feather. And that's a Charvin Royal Blue. And then that one is, Charvin Indigo. I think I did add a little bit of Payne's Gray. I love that color. And then that is Harvest Gold by TLP. I'm really liking their pigments. And then that is a white, which is Modern Masters Iridescent Pearl and Golden Fluid Titanium White. And then that's a color art pigment. That's their Rebulite mixed with their raw sienna. Those two are really great together. Very rich. And that's quinacridone, Nickel Azo Gold, Q-neck. And oh my gosh, that green color, I didn't use it. But these are cloud over colors. That's a very, very light pink satin enamel mixture. And then that is Garnet by Deco Art. They're metallics. That one I mixed some Deco Art satin enamel in it. I thought it was a little interesting, but I didn't really go there. And then this is MMG. That's a whole different story, and I'll tell you about it. So I've been playing around with Mixed Media Girl pouring medium, and I love it. It's amazing for the pearl technique. So more coming on that. I just replaced the floatrol with her pouring medium, which for one, it dries clearer and it's archival. So floatrol's great, but it's not archival. In an attempt to make the painting more professional, and there's a few other reasons, but I'm not bagging on floatrol. I love floatrol. I've been using it for years, and it is an acrylic paint conditioner. It's meant to be used with acrylic paints. However, like Golden GAC 800 or these other pouring mediums are of higher quality over the years as they sit. and as they age, meaning archival. I don't know exactly what the terminology is for archival, but anyhow, Mixed Media Girls pouring medium is archival, and that's what I'm using in this particular painting for the translucent base coat. So I'll put the recipe for that. Just basically take my translucent base coat minus the floatrol, replace it with MMG, pouring medium, and off you go. Okay, enough talking. I'm going to let you watch. You might be a little shocked with what I do with this painting at the very end. I'll show you dried results. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm so happy you're here, and we'll talk soon. Take great care. Bye.
Bet you never loved someone. Bet you never loved somebody like I just did. Bet you always hurt the ones. Hurt the ones you say you're so deep in love with. You don't know nothing, 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 nothing. You don't know what it feels like. Baby, I'm hurting, 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 hurting. And you don't even ask why I'm staying up all night. I haven't slept since you came into my life. Why I'm drinking all the time. Why I'm feeling lonely when you're here by my side. I just want something, 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 something from you that feels right. But I know nothing, 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 nothing will do, not this time. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. Hate it when you call me up. Call me up to tell me you're not coming tonight. Hate it when you cut me off. When I'm trying to tell you that it doesn't feel right. If I know one thing, one thing, one thing, one thing, I know your loving ain't fair. You don't know loving, 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 loving. You don't know how to be there. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I'm all you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me.